So here we are with our iPad holder, and we used some zip ties. We just made it. I made it about 3 minutes before we left for our trip. And here, Kate, can you sit down for a second, sweetheart? So we have it, so it's portable, so we can take it in and out, and we can slide it higher. So when you slide it higher on here, the kid's in the back seat. Can you push it up there, sweetheart?
Yeah.
You can see it. There you go. Can see it. And then the beauty is that it doesn't fall out. And all we used was some wire. I drilled a couple holes through this hockey stick. Found a board. Essentially strapped it to that, and then we had some elastics. So what we do, yeah?
He took the bottom of the
that's right.
stick off of the hockey stick so it doesn't clear over there.
That's right. So we do have a ringette stick. So we run it through the Bluetooth. Can you turn it on?
Yeah.
So all we do is we turn it on, and the kids can, what I noticed is they were banging this, they're in and out, and it didn't fall out. So can you take this out? So what the beauty I like about this is, I didn't realize this, is they can take it off and then play their games. Oh, there you go. So they take it off, and then they can put it back on, so she can play whatever game she wants to, because they get tired of movies. Can you put it back in for us? And then, Kate, how old are you?
5.
Yeah, you're 5 years old. And just slide it in there. Booyah. Now we're set. And then when we're done, do you want to take that off? Yeah. We're going to take it off. I think I'm going to leave the zip straps because it's a old minivan. Take that off. We're going to take this out.
And so it stays stable, he used one of these.
Oh yeah, the zip ties.
Yeah.
That's right. I put a few together to make it hold. And then we can just store this in the garage after, can't we? To our next road trip. I hope that helps. Let me know.